Okay, the next technique that we're going to be working on is one that a lot of directors use all the time when you're trying to hold a particular shot over a period of time. You know that when things play, right, we're just basically combining frames. Well, sometimes what we like to do is create what's called still frames. So I'm going to go back to this very first image, and an interesting technique sometimes is to start with an image that's frozen in time and then have the motion continue after that. Okay? So what we're going to do is right here create a still frame of the very first picture of the dog. So let's go ahead and put our playhead at the very start of the movie and go up to Edit, Create Still Frame. Okay? You'll notice that right away up on the shelf we end up with the still image. It says still02.dv, and it has a duration that's associated with it. It's 5 seconds long. This duration is one that we can change, okay? And in this case we're actually going to change the still image to 3 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and control click on it, and I'll get this show info dialog box. I'll select show info, and over here where the duration is I'm going to put the cursor next to the 5, delete the 5, add a 3, and click set. Okay, you'll notice that the duration now has been set to 3 seconds. When I drag this image down now and place it in front of the other image, you'll notice everything shifts to the right and I can get it in there. If I go back to the thumbnail view, you'll notice that you have a still image before the actual clip. So now if I deselect this so nothing's selected and I play it, you'll note that I start with the still image of the dog, and now I cut to actual motion of him.
Oh, Maddie!
Okay, so everybody please go ahead, create a still image of the dog, and then if you would, change its duration to 3 seconds.